Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a clock using cardboard. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a piece of sturdy cardboard, ideally at least 3 millimeters thick, a reliable clock mechanism, and a ruler for precise measurements. Don't forget your craft knife, a pencil for marking, and a strong adhesive to secure everything in place. Having these items ready will make the construction process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's design and cut our clock face. Begin by drawing a perfect circle on your cardboard. A compass is ideal, but a large plate or bowl works too. Mark the exact center of this circle, as this is where your clock mechanism's shaft will pass through. Carefully cut out your circle with a craft knife, taking your time to achieve smooth edges. Finally, mark 12 evenly spaced points around the edge for your hour indicators. With your clock face ready, it's time to install the mechanism. Carefully make a small hole at the center mark you made earlier, ensuring it's just wide enough for the clock mechanism's shaft. Push the mechanism through from the back of the cardboard. On the front, secure it firmly with the washer and nut that came with your clock kit. Then, attach the hour, minute, and second hands onto the shaft, making sure they are in the correct order and move freely. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your unique cardboard clock. This is where your creativity shines. You can add numbers, decorative markers, or any design you like. Think about how you'll display it, perhaps a small cardboard stand or a simple hook. Insert one AA battery into the mechanism, set the correct time, and watch your creation come to life. You've successfully crafted a functional and stylish clock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.